Well done, my brother. Thank you.
Anyways, guys, so we're on our way to a little meet, Empire meet, and yeah, this was a bit of a last minute video, but yeah, no, I'm just recording. Just ignore me.
I thought you were speaking to me.
Nah.
I'm speaking to myself now. I'm embarrassed.
It's alright, you can join in. Right, this guy's raw. Okay, well, we know where he's going. As you can see, spike meet, car meet, everyone's a bit crazy. So, we obviously need to be careful. But we're here to have fun at the end of the day. So yeah, if you guys can see that Golf right there, he's driving like an absolute dick. I mean, I say that, I'm not any better sometimes, but bloody hell, man, you're in a car, like, you weaving in and out of traffic is a bit different. Alright, so we're heading over to the next location. Probably already mentioned that, but hopefully it's yeah, hopefully it's nice. Not too packed, and especially no reckless drivers, but apart from that, I'm in it for all of it. I used to come here all the time, bruv. It's telling me, it's taking me, you know what's mad? I believe, I can't remember too well, but I think it's taking me through here, but over there on that side of the road is going to literally end up being the same thing. It's going to just merge back together, and I'm having to sit behind all of these when I could have just gone. But let's see. See, this is how you know I haven't been to East London in a long time, man. Forgetting the roads like an idiot. But yeah, I mean, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. And if it's your first time following anyone from London, then shit, welcome to London, baby. See, some of these tunnels will literally have cameras in them. Oh, was that us? Which is crazy, but not really, not in the UK. It's literally just another tunnel. Right. Okay. Woo! Pretty little lights. I really hope the footage comes out alright, man. But yeah, today is Saturday. I literally finished work around 5. Straight from work, I went straight home, put my camera charging, because I was supposed to charge it at work and then record my way home. But I'm gonna be honest, I forgot. I was too busy at work and I ended up not doing it. So I literally put the camera charging whilst, obviously, when I got home, made dinner, ate dinner with my missus, and then after that, on the last minute thing, we were just like, well, I need to record. We haven't been to Empire in a while. It's the meets, if you know, you know. And then we were like, fuck it, let's go. So here we are. I can hear bikes everywhere, that's what's crazy. Definitely not a bad thing. Most definitely a good thing. I love it. But I don't know the roads, so I need to take my time and go carefully. Off camera, I went to a car park earlier and I nearly bloody, you know, in the car park, like, I was looking at the crowd on the horizon and I didn't look right in front of me, and there was literally a little pavement. I nearly curbed it. I nearly went into the fucking pavement with my missus at the back. That would have been a nice little front flip. Right, we're turning right, left. Right, left. Don't even know my left and rights. Cool, so we're turning left. Apparently it's 2 minutes from here. Oh, it was just going to be the tunnel one. Hold on. Right, so we're turning right up here apparently. Woo! RS7, very nice. Ooh, ooh. Oh yeah, baby, hello. I want to go this way. See what's crazy? I know I'm in the wrong place. Listen, baby, how do we get downstairs?
I have no idea.
Fuck!
Yeah.
We should have followed the other cars, I'm not gonna lie.
You shouldn't.
Fully.
You still catch up to them.
Let's press restart on that thing. Wait, we need to go there. There.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because that's where we just been, baby.
Oh yeah, look at these cars. They're all going.
Just follow the cars, innit?
Yep.
Go on, my minions, lead the way. Oh, nice, I beef her. That's cool, isn't it? I like that. This is the way we want it, guys. This is it. Hello. Hello, hello. But then again, this is also where the madness happens, so we do need to be careful. Oh, apparently I got flashed. Fuck. Oh. Huh?
Be careful in this tunnel. There's another one at the end.
I know, but I was doing 33. It wasn't me. Right, okay. That's peak. Super! Yeah, baby, I don't think it was me. I was doing 33.
Okay. Let's hope not.
Should we go straight? You know what? Let's stop. Let's stop.
I mean, now it's red light.
Yeah, I know. I'm on purpose, bruv.
Where are we going next? W1S.
Where's that?
It's
W1S.
London. It's like central.
Good.
What was the rest of it?
W1S.
S.
Ooh. Which one are you taking? I'm thinking that. Fuck that. The M2's sexier. But that sounds nicer. Cabron favor. Carbonara. Yeah, no, that's mad. So let's go over here.
Have you not realised?
This guy looks like police if I've ever seen it, but I'm just trying to squeeze through. Is that a brother? No, that's not a brother. Don't worry. She She fully thought I was gonna lick her mirror. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Say hi. Hi. See, baby, no plates on show, but here we are.
There's plates on show.
Yeah, there is. Nice.
You wanna flip it?
Huh?
You wanna flip it?
Not yet. Oh, somebody's lost. This way. Go on, brother, do your 5-turn point maneuver.
5-turn point?
Yeah, bruv, look at the size of the beat. That's it. Is it here?
Apparently so.
There's no one here though.
I know he's definitely supposed to be there.
You know what we're gonna do? We'll pull over there. Can't lie, go on, jump off. I want to move the back a bit to the side. Cool. Oh. Give the cars enough space, innit? Hello.
Con cualquiera, donde sea, papi, voy. Donde quiero, con cualquiera, donde sea, papi, voy.